Let's uncover the secrets to making the most amazing Ayamase sauce. And did you know that Ayamase sauce can turn your dish from ordinary to extraordinary? Hello sweet fingers lovers, it's your favorite girl again, Chef Boss, and on today's episode, I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make your Ayamase sauce. And by the way, let's uncover the West African green sauce. So these are the ingredients you need to make your Ayamase sauce. Mind you, these are the most important ingredients you need: your spring onion, your green chili pepper, and then your green peppers. And by the way, this is not peppery at all. Then your boiled egg, your locust beans. We'll be using some offers as our protein and also fish as our protein. Then also our cow skin, salt, seasoning cube, red oil, and then our fish mix. And these are all the ingredients you need to make this. In the pot, time for us to boil our offals. So in the pot, you go in with your offals and then a little bit of seasoning, and then we're just going to cover this and allow it to boil until it is fully cooked. Then in another pot, time for us to boil our eggs, because your protein needs to be ready in order for you to make your sauce. Then you bring out your food processor or your blender, and the reason why I'm using a food processor is because I'm not going to add water to it. And by the way, we also are not going to chop this very smooth. We're just going to chop it roughly. While this is being chopped, we're going to add the other pepper mix to it. And I just allow this to blend for just less than 2 minutes, and this is what I have. It's so perfect. This is exactly what we need to make our sauce. So I'm just going to pour it inside a bowl. Time for us to make our sauce. So in the pot, you're just going to add your red oil according to your quantity. Mind you, and do not use a lot of red oil. We're going to bleach our red oil. So how I bleach my red oil is I'm just going to cover it and allow it to bleach between 15 to 20 minutes. And after that, I'm going to off my gas and allow it to cool down before I add anything to it, or else it's going to set a flame. Then after that, I'm just going to pour in a little bit of our offers, that if they are ready, or our protein, and allow it to fry on a medium heat, just medium heat, mild, between 45 seconds to 1 minute. So it is ready, and I'm just going to remove it and also remove our fish if it's ready. Then the next step is for us to add our pepper mix, just like this. And then we'll mix together. Make sure it is properly seated in the oil. Like I said earlier, please do not use a lot of oil for your Ayamase sauce. So the next step is for us to add our locust beans, then also our our cow skin, and then we're just going to mix together and make sure it is properly seated in our pepper mix. Then after that, time for us to add our seasoning cube and also a little bit of salt to taste. and we're just going to mix together again. Then after that, we're just going to cover this and allow it to steam between 15 to 18 minutes on a low heat. After that, we're just going to open it, and this is what our sauce is going to look like. And by the way, this is not fully cooked. And at this stage, I will advise you to taste your food. So if there's anything you want to add to it. Now, time for us to add our eggs. I prefer to add my eggs earlier so they become more tasty. And also our offals. Mix together. After mixing together, I'm just going to add a little bit of our stock. That's our meat stock. So I'm just going to add it to it. Just a little bit. And then I'm just going to cover it and allow it to steam for another 5 minutes on a low heat. And after that, this is what we have. Definitely, if you notice, and as you can see, there's much difference in this. After this, time for us to add our other proteins to our sauce. So we're just going to add our fish to it. Then we're just going to mix this gently so we don't want to scatter our fish. So we're just going to mix this, make sure it is properly seated in our sauce. Just making sure the sauce covers it properly. So after that, we're just going to cover it and allow it to steam on a medium, on low heat, once again, between 3 to 5 minutes. And after that, our sauce is ready, and this is what we have. So tell me, my sweet fingers lovers, do you want to guess what I paired this with? I paired this with Ofada rice. If you want to know how I made my Ofada rice, the video is up on my YouTube channel. And definitely tell me so much what you think about this. Would you be recreating this recipe? Do not forget to watch our other videos. Do not forget to like, comment, share for your friends, subscribe, and most especially, thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll be seeing you in the next video.
Bye.